Going on, everybody? Today I'm going to make a quick video on how to program a xhorse universal remote. This is for a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. We generated it with our key tool. We're going to go ahead and program with our Auto Pro Pad. I'm going to start by going to a mobilizer. I take my key, put it in the ignition, turn the ignition on. Make sure the radio is not on. We're going to go to Hyundai. Go to Program Remote by Vehicle. This is in USA. Let's find Santa Fe. Looking for 2014. Go to Remote System. Program Remotes. Switch ignition off, remove key. Hit yes. Lock or unlock. Heard the vehicle chime. We do not want to program another remote, so we're just going to hit no. Here you have it. Very straightforward. 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe remote programming with XTOOL and xhorse universal remote. Thank you.